Hello guys, welcome back. Today in this video, let's see about Chef versus Ansible. Here is a comparison between Chef and Ansible, two popular configuration management and automation tools. Architecture. Chef uses an agent-based architecture. It requires an agent, Chef client, to be installed on each node. The Chef server acts as central repository for configuration data. Ansible uses an agentless architecture. It communicates with nodes over SSH, which means no additional software needs to be installed on the target machines. Configuration language. Chef uses Ruby-based domain-specific language DSL for writing configuration scripts known as recipes and cookbooks. This can be more complex and has a steeper learning curve. Ansible uses YAML for writing playbooks, which is simpler and more readable, making it easier for beginners to learn and use. Ease of use. Chef, more complex due to its Ruby-based DSL and agent-based architecture. It offers greater flexibility and control for complex configurations. Ansible, known for its simplicity and ease of use. The agentless architecture and use of YAML make it more accessible, especially for those new to configuration management. Community and support. Chef has a strong community and extensive documentation. It also offers commercial support through Progress Chef. Ansible also has a large and active community with extensive documentation and commercial support available through Red Hat. Use cases. Chef, ideal for complex configurations and environments where fine-grained control is needed. It's well suited for large-scale infrastructure management. Ansible, great for simpler, straightforward tasks and environments. It's often used for quick deployments, configuration management, and orchestration. Integration and ecosystem. Chef integrates well with other DevOps tools and has a rich ecosystem of cookbooks available for various tasks. Ansible also integrates well with other tools and has a vast collection of modules for different automation tasks. In summary, Chef is powerful and flexible, but comes with a steeper learning curve, while Ansible is simpler and easier to use, making it a good choice for those new to automation or working on smaller projects. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.